I ain't tryna wait. I can't be fucked with, no. Oh, you can't touch this. Ayy, bitch, I do rich shit, huh? My money thick, thick.
The Barbie, and today's video is going to be a shrimp seafood boil. Yes, sir. So I'm gonna attempt to make one. I don't have no lobsters because you know, I do not have that type of money as of now. But I'm gonna use shrimp, corn, stuff like that. Shrimp, these are from Costco. We have corn, but I'm gonna cut this in half. Then we have butter, garlic, onions, a potato, because I don't really like potatoes like that. Then we have lemon juice, because we don't have no lemons, sea salt, onion powder, Old Bay, garlic, and cayenne. Then we have a bag to put everything in, but I don't have one of them oven bags. Then we have this to pour the sauce and to pour into the bag, and then we have this to boil everything in. I'm gonna add an egg because I've never had a seafood boil with an egg in it. Okay, so there's water in the pot. I'm gonna add the seasonings to go in here. Some people add what's that thing called, chicken broth, but they don't have none of that. So I'm gonna put some cayenne pepper. I'm not gonna measure out nothing. I'm just putting it all in. And then some garlic powder. Then some Old Bay, onion powder, some seasoned salt, then some real chunks of garlic. And then I'm gonna add, what's this thing called? Butter. Okay, I'm gonna add the butter. Now you gotta wait for the water to boil, and once it starts boiling, then you start adding some of the food stuff. So this stuff is still not boiling, and the stove is on hot. And water and seasons and butter's looking like, it smells pretty delicious. Okay, so now it's boiling. Yes, sir. And I'm gonna add the foods. I'm gonna add these. Oh shit. And let those boil up. Okay, so I broke the egg, so I'm gonna have to put a new one in. Now it's time to make the butter sauce, or the sauce. You need a bunch of butter. A whole bunch of butter, like mad butter. And let that melt down. And then one more scoop. And once that melts, then you start adding the other stuff. Just a scoop of this butter. What's the thing called? Garlic. Put that in. And get another scoop. Old Bay. Oh my gosh. Yes, sir. We got it over here and over there. All right, then add some cayenne and a little spicy. Then you need to add some onion powder. And then add a little garlic powder. Mix it up. We got the sauce. Let's cook it. I'm gonna cut this onion. I'm not gonna use too much of it. I think I'm gonna cut this part. And then you put these pieces of onions in the, what's that thing called? The pot, this pot. And make it cook. Off. And now it's time to pour it in here. Actually, let me not do that. I'm scoop it out because I'm not gonna get burnt. Come on! The last few minutes, that's when you put the shrimp in, because shrimp cook real fast. This thing's big. Good, and I'm gonna wait for this to cook up. Butter in this bag. And now I'm gonna add the other stuff, the shrimp. I'm about to add a little bit of lemon juice in it. Give it a tiny bit up. Look too good. Thank you for watching my seafood boil. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'm gonna be active. Yes, sir.
Same thing from my hood to your hood, we screaming gang, gang, yeah. I'm waiting for you to change on me. Like everybody in my past, you ain't the same, homie. Niggas started acting different when I put them chains on me. Got a little money in them bitches and that fame on me. Now I walk around